Hello everyone and welcome back. So let's look at our inventory report. Okay, so now let's just scroll down here a little bit. Okay, a little bit. Okay, so here, what do I need? Okay, so let me check here. Product list. Okay, so product list, so I can just so that these can appear on the favorite list. So here I can say inventory valuation detail. Let's see. So here you can see the inventory movements. So this, they use FIFO, that's first in first out inventory valuation method. As you can see, on a particular date, we bought something from Mr. John for Honda Motors. Right, we bought something from Mr. John and we sold it to Honda Motors. So we bought 200 air filters, we sold 180, something like this, which is fantastic, which is great. So let's proceed again and look at and if we go here, you see that we've got some operating expenses. So we just want to add these suppliers, and we just need to account for these expenses, right? So once we do that, then we'll be good to go. Okay, so that's fine. And we also want to record operating expenses, and we also want to, after that, we want to record in asset pages. Okay, so see you in the next section.